place is rutted. Holy smokes. Wow. Ooh. Massive potholes. Someone's ready to get to camp.
Right on the left, the drops, watch out.
Oh yeah, this is where that snow is. Is there that hole? Look at me already here to that spot. Man, airing down, soften the suspension, so smooth. So plush.
Drop off the left.
Oh no, this is where that hole is. I made it here before. Got stopped by that snow last time. God, that hole looks like it's gotten bigger since the last time we were here. Definitely really bad. Woo. Lost our target. Big water crossing. So off camber. Provide light for him. Take him back out here. You're gonna go into a rock. You gotta hug that rock right there on the left. Your tire has to hug that rock to fit through there. Your trailer's gonna back up over a big rock. Is it gonna flip it?
I made it. It's good.
This truck's gonna make it through that rock. This just reminds us not to get a trailer. The only good thing is his light enough to pick up and drag by hand if we had to. That's jackknifing. And he's free. view while we're doing our business.
We got some bait right here. Egg.
I don't think he knows what to do. It never happened before.
There's nothing on it, it's just a hook. Just off a hook.
Oh my goodness. Oh wow, that's a pretty fish.
Caught it just off a hook.
Yeah, Jose's got to hold it. Look at that. That's pretty.
What's that, the hook?
Just a hook. You know, they say you gotta kiss it. I ain't kissing that thing. Holy smokes. I don't know how to play. You
You know
do?
how to clean it out and all that?
I do.
Look at this. He's got a fish.
Last time
Off a hook.
we caught.
Off a hook. That is crazy.
Watch those people out there that haven't caught anything yet.
That is crazy. Off a hook.
The wind probably blew him into it.
Barely snagged him off the nose.
I know how to cook him. If you want it.
Are we keeping this one?
Yeah.
Keeping it?
I know how to clean them out. Or we just put it in foil.
Yeah, but do you even have a knife to clean it out? Oh.
I need a kid to unhook this guy.
David, are you ready for your burrito?
He's helping Jose with
Oh,
the
okay.
fish.
That's more important.
Yeah.
Him and his fishing. Sweetie, are you ready for your burrito? Okay. I take it you probably want everything in it? Okay.
Yeah, I untook it.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, you did? Okay. I'll snag more. Crazy.
You
got
do
him
with
off a
hot
hook.
sauce. I take it you do.
I can't believe I got him off a hook.
Where's he at?
He's just swimming around here. I don't know if he took off. Yeah, it came back. Where'd he go? Did he take off? Oh, he swam away? That is crazy. Off a hook. I'm working on it. Can't feel too bad. Those guys haven't caught anything yet. At least I don't think so.
Caught something like 5 minutes in. Well, then if you don't want to go, that's fine. Okay,
That's good.
let's go then. Okay. Are you guys ready
Yeah, where are we going?
on a hike up that way?
I'll take one sooner on the lake.
All right, made it here to camp. I'm gonna start heading out for a little hike. There's another lake or
a river, yeah, lake on the other side. We're gonna try to head over to. These guys, this one right here, where is he? Oh, he's already walking in it. Everyone else here knows the drill. Come on, go, Timmer.
Unleash her, let her go across.
Go, Timmer. Here you go. You can figure it out. Go.
Maybe you need some
Good job. Come on, Rambo. Big old Dumbo.
water, doesn't
Doesn't-
We're more, we have to kind of come this way. There's a trail over there.
Yeah, I can see the trail.
So it's getting to that trail.
let him work for a little bit.
He gets tired. Alright, we're on trail. Found it. Looks like we just hike along the side of this mountain here until we get over to the lake. Oh, this hike is got these little sections where looks like water runs down the mountain. It's very soft. Whew. Oh, it is soft.
Yeah, it's really soft.
You can do it. Alright, we made it to the peak of this hill and we can see the lake.
Unless you can go that way and then go down.
Is it steep right there? We're trying to find the trail. It doesn't look like it's been used for a while. Oh, that is loose!
Yeah, you gotta walk. Yeah, that's what the trails here.
It's gonna be fun going up. It's gonna be fun going up there.
Think so?
Yeah.
Are we gonna have to carry you?
I might have to butt that.
You got to butt scoot up this thing? Or down it?
I just stepped on the dope.
Ooh, it's slippery and it's getting windy. It's definitely a trail that is not used a lot. It's gonna be a fun hike back up though. Working our way down to, it looks like 2 lakes right up ahead. Dogs don't seem to have a problem. Except for this one. No worries. We just have to pick this one up. He's getting a little old. Doesn't walk as fast as he used to. Gotta carry him. Alright, made it down to the lake. You see one right here behind me. This is like a dark blue color one. Wonder if there's any fishes in here. Did I bring my fishing pole? Try my luck over here. And you can see the lake on this side is teal in color. And it's separated by this island that we're on. And then the first one that we saw earlier, blue. It's weird that both of them are different colors. And then there's like another little smaller one right here. Oh, is this going to be the backpacking spot?
Yeah, this is it. Even have it like protected from the wind. There's even wood.
Already firewood too, so people do come out over
Yeah,
here.
Like it looks recent. Well, this is a good spot if you want some seclusion. Because it doesn't look like too many people come back here.
Yeah. Oh, there's already wood inside it too, ready to go.
There's a little trail back here.
And then you can see both lakes, one right there, and then the teal one out here. Look at that. The color of this lake. It's amazing. Look at those colors. So like teal color, turquoise. I wonder what makes the color difference between the two waters. perfect fishing spot too. There's fishing here. I don't know if there is or not. Looks like the two lakes are connected right here in the middle. Got some little passageway here for overflow from over there to make it across to this side. Very steep and slippery. Whew. That was a climb up.
You're good.
Alright, we made it back to the lake. Nice little hike. Enjoy the rest of the afternoon here by the lake.
This is why you get in trouble. You make poor choices. Okay, Marty, get out of the truck now. I don't care. Get out and come sit out.
Oh man, the wind is brutal right now. I had to break down everything on the truck just to help with the wind, because it's just everything's flopping around, making all kinds of noise. Was trying to take a nap earlier. Probably can hear the wind now. Pretty windy out here in the afternoon. It's been like that for the last hour and a half or so, but hopefully it calms down in a couple hours. Is this the tackle shop here?
Yeah.
What happened to yours?
We got all kinds
Oh,
of trying something
jeez.
else.
All right, camera's rolling. Let's see what you got. Just missed it. It was almost so hard. I was pushing. The wind was hitting so hard that water was coming up. It was misting over. Decided to take a little hike down along the water. We are parked somewhere back over there, and we hiked over here. There's let's see if I can get it on video. Looks like this is where the water comes from. It feeds the lake here. So I'm gonna start fishing right here. Just told this was a spot. Brought one of my buddy's kids over here. He's already fishing. I'm gonna take this spot over here. Let's roll. No luck with any fish over there. Nice little spot, but the sun, I see right there, it's just in your eyes the whole time casting. The wind's pretty brutal too. comes and goes. But I'm gonna wait till that sun gets right below the mountain. Might give it a shot back over here by camp. See what happens. Man, that first fish I caught this morning, just off the hook. Is that wind again? All right. There it goes. There's the sun and the wind. Just staring at the sun the whole time over there. It's like this sunset. Would this still be considered sunset? It's going below the mountain. I've been ducked. All right, caught a fish. A little baby one.
We got another fish. Turn around.
What happened?
Pop it.
Oh yeah.
That's deep. He swallowed it.
Did he?
Yeah, here. Here's the tip. I can hold it.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, I want to go catch some more fish.
I saw tomorrow morning.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go try tomorrow morning. Fish in the morning?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna go out to those rocks.
You don't think over here's good? I caught 2 over here. Last night out here. I'll try to catch some more fish. Easy morning breakfast. Lake. Around the lake. Do some fishing in a couple spots along the way. Let's go. Let's get out to the water, see if we can catch some fishes. Water is so clear, blue. It's so hard to fish with the wind blowing right at you. I keep working our way around the lake, see if we can find a better spot.
Right here. He was right under it. Pop it. Look.
Yeah.
He was right under that rock. And then he just threw it down. That's all black feather.
Alright, we're about halfway across the lake right now. Truck is like right out there somewhere. Where is he? Right there. Try some fishing over on this side. Catch anything? A leaf? More than I caught so far. Found it! We had to hike halfway across the lake to get this water bottle that flew from the truck to the lake due to all the wind. Thank you. Now we gotta hike it back. Alright, we are almost done walking across the whole lake, or around the lake. Campsite's just right over there. Wind was pretty brutal on this side. I head back to camp and have some lunch and see if the fishing's a little bit better back at our campsite.
Oh, there goes the umbrella again.
Alright, we are done with Leavitt Lake. Now we just gotta work the 3 miles of rutted roads out of here. Woo! See? Easy. Look at this one. This one's a big old pit. You want to fall in there. And right after this one, there's another one right here.